We're going to switch right now into the idea of spring cleaning in the world of spirit, of ideas, and mind. There's a corollary in cleaning out the pantry, the garage, the closets of our mind. There's tremendous spiritual growth that can happen within the mess. There's good in the mess. There's good in questioning your thoughts, your past mind training, past ideas, because that's how you do spiritual spring cleaning. You got to get a little bit messy sometimes to grow spiritually. So wisdom is being able to allow good to rise up, to percolate through, and faith is knowing that it will. It always will. Your spiritual path is the path of good. It is the path of God. Let the good rise as you let past thoughts and ideas go. Now, there's an idea in Unity called chemicalization. So, chemicalization is an old word. It's not used much anymore in Unity, but the thought behind it is. It's 100% a concept that's still used. We just don't use that word. The idea of spring cleaning in the spiritual world is the idea of chemicalization. So I'm going to read to you from 𝗬𝗟𝗂𝗍𝗍's work. This is Lessons in Truth. This is one of the foundational books in Unity. It's a Unity classic book. 𝗬𝗟𝗂𝗍𝗍 first published this. This was 1894. She was a holistic doctor, and in a time when women were relegated to child rearing and childbirthing. Katie corresponded with Charles and Myrtle Fillmore, the founders of Unity, and when they were starting the Unity movement, they found in Katie this kindred spirit, this eloquent advocate for that deep spiritual work that they were creating. So this is a long quote, and I want you guys to hang in here with me because this is a really important idea when we're thinking about spiritual spring cleaning, okay? It's going to take 2 slides to get through. I've got the slides up, so y'all hang in here with me because this is very, very important. Here's what she has to say. Did you ever put soda into sour milk, cider, or other acid fluid and witness the agitation or excited action that takes place? One of the substances neutralizes the other, and something better results from the action. This is a good illustration of what takes place sometimes in the minds and bodies of people. Suppose a man has lived in wrong, unhelpful thought and molded his body by unhelpful thought for years until, as you might say, he has become solidified in that unhelpful belief. You introduce the truth, that's with a capital T, truth to him by strong denials and affirmations as has been taught. The very newness of it, and because it is truth, creates in the first few days new hope, new joy, and new health. After a little time, a sort of mental ferment or agitation takes place. One is apt to feel very nervous and seared way down into the depths of himself. What has happened? Why, simply this. There has been a clash between the old condition, which was based on falsehood, fear, and unhelpful ways of thinking, and the new thought or truth entering into you. The old mortal is kicking vigorously against the truth. That which you feel is, on the spiritual plane, a similar excitement and agitation to that which is seen in the chemical action between the alkali and acid on the material plane. And something higher and better always results.